A random sample of 8 people is chosen. The sample mean commute time to work was 33.5 minutes, and the sample standard deviation was 7.2 minutes. Assume the commute times are normally distributed. Construct a 90% confidence interval for the population mean commute time. Interpret the results and show all work. So our sample size is only 8, but the population is normally distributed, so we're okay. The degrees of freedom are the sample size minus 1, so 8 minus 1 is 7. X bar is 33.5. The sample standard deviation, or S, is 7.2. And our critical value, T90, if we look up on the table under 0.90 and then in the row of 7, because that's our degree of freedom, we get 1.895. So the margin of error is 1.895 times 7.2 divided by square root of 8. And that's equal to 4.82. So our confidence interval, mu, is between 33.5 minus 4.82 and 33.5 plus 4.82. So the mean is between 28.68 and 38.32. So with 90% confidence, we can say the true population mean commute time is between 28.68 and 38.32 minutes.